My name is David Benoit. I am the owner and president and general manager of ServiceMaster Residential Vancouver. We are a licensed business by ServiceMaster Canada. Basically, we're a one-source vendor for cleaning services for property managers. We have 6 different service lines, ranging from carpet cleaning to exterior cleaning with window cleaning to our janitorial services. And we have 25 yellow vans in the field most days. Some guys will be on site for an entire week doing window cleaning projects. Some will have 6 or 7 service calls a day for carpet cleaning. Different technicians for different services. How we used to schedule, if I look back about 15 years, was you basically created an Excel spreadsheet and you produced a written document. You put it in the crew's boxes. They come in every day and pick up their work orders. To now, where we don't even see them. They're dispatched to their mobile devices. They have view and control over their schedules and have all the information they need right away to complete their tasks. The process before, we had a lot of problems with our data, the quality of our data, the way it interacted with our CRM, Salesforce. So with Skedulo, we no longer have that problem. We can count on that data, we can structure it the way we want to structure it, and then we can use it for other purposes like marketing and sales. It just really helps us tie everything together and give us that complete view. We had a lot of success with Skedulo and the team that we had, the ability to change things on the fly because we just didn't think about it. We didn't know how it would work with our system and tie into other programs that we had running. So they were quite flexible and really helpful. The main thing that brought us to Skedulo was the seamless integration with Salesforce. Because we had an experience before where our data quality wasn't reliable. And when it wasn't reliable, it really hurt us. We had gaps in our service histories, which caused problems. As a service company, it's very important that we keep great records of what we did on site, pictures, photos, notes. And that broke quite often, and when it broke, it caused problems for us. It could be lost revenue, invoices that weren't paid, customers weren't getting notified on time. With Skedulo, we haven't had that problem because the integration is not an issue. What really helps is you no longer have that trust gap with the information. So if you're going to change the schedule on the fly or update a work order, you know it's to the guy's mobile device, and it just saves a lot of that time. The biggest impact on our customers would be that we now have the ability to customize our notification pathways. So with our different services, say carpet cleaning or window cleaning, for example, carpet cleaning, we want to alert them we're on our way. With window cleaning, we don't need to. Our reminders are a set amount of days ahead of time, 5 days, 7 days ahead of time, so we can customize that. Text messages and emails, different templates, different triggers. We can notify different parties different ways, property managers versus site contacts different ways, which is really, really helpful. Now, having seen where we've been and where we're at now, and hopefully we keep moving forward, is their job's way easier. Our most important staff are our field staff. If they walk into a job site and they don't have what they need, it's going to set a negative tone for the experience, and you're going to lose that. You're going to lose that service call. You're going to lose that interaction. It's really interesting that if I talk to, as an owner of the company, if I talk to one of our customers and told them about a carpet maintenance program or a window cleaning program, and one of the gentlemen who's worked for us for 10, 15 years talks to them, who are they going to believe? They're going to believe him, because he does it every day in the field. So we have to make sure that our field staff has that ability and confidence to do their jobs properly. And if they do, with more control, it usually goes better. My favorite part about Skedulo is their mobile app. The look and feel is awesome. There's a lot of positive feedback from the crews on that. They're quick and easy to see their days. We can really customize what they see and what they don't want to see. That's what they live with. They live with that mobile. So it starts with that. And then obviously your scheduling console is very important as well. You can make better decisions with better pictures. What I would say to someone considering using Skedulo is that it's going to allow you more complexity in your field management. It's going to give you that tight integration with Salesforce or whatever platform you want to use. It just allows you to connect to different areas of your business.